If you've been waiting on a sign to start your acting practice, this is it. It's officially that time of year again. The air is cooler, the sweaters are out, and suddenly I just want to slow down and do the things that I've been saying I'm going to be doing all year. And if one of those things is finally starting your acting career, this video is for you. I know the feeling of like, I'll start when I have more time. I'll start when I can afford class. I'll start when I can afford headshots. I'll start when I move to LA. But what if you started now, like at home? Today we're going to talk about how to start an acting practice at home. No fancy setup, no $400 classes, just you and your curiosity and maybe a tripod or your phone. Before we talk about what to do to start your acting practice at home, I want you to think about why you want to act. And don't say, because it's fun. I mean, yes, it is really, really fun and really rewarding, but let's go deeper. What actually calls you to become an actor? Is it the storytelling? Is it the empathy? Is it the escape? Is it the transformation? Write it down or talk it aloud to yourself. For me, my why comes back to connection and the escape. Understanding people, exploring their lives, reflecting life, and the freedom of being whoever you want without being judged. And when you know your why, your practice can actually mean something to you. It turns, oh, I should do this acting thing today or this acting thing today into, I get to explore today. So the next thing I want you to do is focus on your environment. You don't need a big studio. You can find a plain corner in your house where you can really drop in, like light a candle, move some furniture out of the way, drop down a rug or something, and make it truly feel like a space that you can come alive in. I have this space in my home where I always self-tape, and when I'm in that space, I know that this is my creative zone. I can fail here, I can be weird here, I can explore here. Because acting is energy, and when you give it space to live and breathe, it shows up easier. Let's talk about how to actually structure your practice so it doesn't just become, oh yeah, I'll do that later. And these are things you can do every day for like 15 minutes. Monday, read something out loud, a play, a scene, a news article, a paragraph from a random book. Connect to the words. There's no pressure to perform on this day. Just breathe in the words and be present. Tuesday, people watch. And it's not weird. It's what we do generally in our lives anyway. So I'm giving you permission to do this. It is okay. You can go to a cafe, go on a walk, notice the people around you and how they behave. How do they walk? What do they do when they're waiting? What is underneath their smile? Wednesday, pick a scene that you want to self-tape, and before you even self-tape the scene, journal as the character. You can literally pick any scene, any character, and journal as them. What do they want? What are they hiding? What are they hoping to get out of life? What was their day like? Just spend 15 minutes kind of stepping into who this person is. Thursday, self-tape something from the perspective of the character that you were just journaling as. It can be like a one-page scene, doesn't have to be a huge thing. It could be like a 1-minute monologue, whatever it is, just get something on its feet and tape it. Watch your work back as an artist, not as a critic. What worked, what didn't, and go from there. Friday, study performances. Watch a film or TV show that you love and pause it when something moves you and ask yourself why you feel moved in that moment. What did that character do to make you feel alive, to make you feel activated? These are just things you can do once a day, 15 minutes a day for the whole week, and keep it simple, keep it loose. It's not a chore. This should be a fun way to explore your practice. Here is also a secret that nobody really talks about, and I'm not sure why, but you don't have to practice acting by acting. You can practice it by playing, noticing things, listening deeply in your conversations that you have with your loved ones. Imagine backstories for strangers. You can practice while doing dishes or while walking your dog, just being fully present in your thoughts and what you're feeling in that moment. Actors are professional noticers. We study life so that we can live it fully. I know that acting at home can feel a bit lonely. And if that's the case for you, share your work. Share your practice with your friends, with your family. Post a clip or host a play reading night at your home. And please don't wait until you're ready. Ready is a myth. Start messy, start loud, start unapologetically. Start today. Don't be afraid to start in community, because that's where the growth and the fun can really take place. So look, you already have everything you need to begin. You have imagination, you have empathy, you have curiosity. Those are the tools. You don't need perfect lighting or a coach on speed dial. You just need the courage to begin imperfectly. The more you show up, the better you get, the more you'll believe that this is the right path for you. And then you'll look back at like, wow, I really built my career from my living room. So yeah, if you've been waiting on a sign to start your acting practice, this is it. This fall, while everyone's cozying up with pumpkin spice and gingerbread, you could be cozying up with your craft. So if you try any of these exercises, please let me know in the comments what worked, what day was your favorite, what surprised you, or what you're discovering about yourself. And if this video gave you that little push and you're ready to dive in today, hit that subscribe button, and there's a playlist called New to Acting Start Here that is specifically designed for you. And also share this video with a creator that you know needs to hear it right now. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to be powerful. You just need to begin. Thank you so much for watching to the very, very end, and I'll see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.